up in here for my daughter and her two boys can climb back over through that way. Here one of the markers I put up right here.
What you use that thing for again right here?
Huh?
What you use this for?
Hunting deer. I climb up in there and sit down.
That's nice.
And they be coming around through these woods, walking through here like through this property line. See how it dried up? That was last year's rub. That's this year's rub.
You said a deer?
Yeah, they rubbed that mark on his territory. That's his rub line. Yeah. He put his scent on it.
We in Birmingham, Alabama. We on Bradford Street, one of the small areas of Alabama. Now, before y'all visit the big parts of inner city that y'all visit the small parts first. Like, you can tell, like, just by looking around. You can tell just by looking around, people been staying over here for decades.
Yeah.
You feel me? People been staying over here for decades. You can tell by that house, that car ain't even got no tag right there. Look at that car.
No, I ain't got no tag.
You got a little mini me coming down the road there. City don't even get their attention like it's supposed to. So look at the current of the lake. So not the lake, but the stream. Look how like filtered the water is.
Yeah.
That's water that got to be recycled to go back inside somebody's house.
Yeah.
Traveling in the woods of Alabama, just take a little nature walk. You know what I'm saying?
This is the walk, guys. We're going down the steep hill. Oh, we made it. We mowed it.
Hey, this is a good health activity. Look at it. Hey, we taking us a little squat or whatever. To observe where we at.
Tell them what we just seen.
Yeah, like I said, we just seen some deer. I don't know where they came from, but I think we was approaching their territory, so they kind of cleared it or whatever.
Yeah.
But we might, we gonna show y'all a couple more footage before we leave their house.
The stick is in my hair.
And then,
The stick is in my hair. Hey.
they camp out to catch like a little deer and shoot them from wherever they hiding at.
Yeah.
Hey, if y'all look over here, right there is 2 pickup trucks that's been abandoned. You feel me? On a little nature walk, this is the type of stuff we run into or whatever. I don't know what type of model car pickup trucks they is, but they've been abandoned.
Yeah.
We're gonna catch out on some more.
As you see, this part really don't get much sun. The trees covered, so when the rain come down and make little mud, and wherever you see water and grass, that's where snakes come at. So the snakes are trying to come over here, plant their babies over here. Then you got a ditch over here. You don't even know if something in there or not. Everything. You got a little nest. You don't know what nest it is, but it's a little nest over here. This is where animals hide and nest at.